First at all, we need to make sure that our device has any audio player. In this video, we share when and how audio device installed to solve the no audio device install problem. Most of the Windows have Realtek audio driver by default. For checking this, we need to go Control Panel. For this we need to go Windows Search option or clicking Control Panel app. Open this app. We need to go Program Options. Under the program we can see Uninstall a program. Click this options to see the Realtek audio driver has or not. If you don't find Realtek audio, then you need to go Device Manager to make sure that Realtek audio driver gone or not. You can go in Control Panel or direct going to Device Manage option from Search option. I show you under the Control Panel section. For this, click to view options for large icon. Then find out Device Manager. Click it. Then you need to wait and again find out the sound, video and game controllers. Click this option. In this, if you faced no audio devices installed, you can see only one option, that is Intel R Display Audio option. You cannot find or see Realtek R Audio or other option. I mention again and again, if you don't any audio driver, then you need to follow the instruction. Most of the time Windows operating system has Realtek audio driver by default. You need to install an audio driver. To install an audio device, you need to go File Manager from the Windows Search options. Find out the OS/C drive. Usually audio drives have linked with OS/C, then you go to Drivers option. Under the Drive option you find Audio. In this audio section you can find Realtek audio or any other audio device. By click and following the instruction you can install the app easily. I hope you know how to install Windows app. It is very easy. I don't show it because it can kill you time, and my device has already installed the Realtek audio player. By the installation's time, you see that the no device sound icon changed. After install the Realtek audio or other audio driver, restart you Windows. Hopefully, you solve you problem. If your no audio device is not installed, problem is solved by my instruction, you must be like my video. I also request for subscribe my channel.